Hello, students. First of all, congratulations for passing out the 10th standard. Today, we are going to discuss about commons entrance test for class 11 admission, academic year 2021-22. In this video, I am going to provide you an information about how to register for the exam, how to prepare for it, and what is a OMR sheet, which precautions you have to take while using the OMR sheet. How to apply. For this, you have to go to Maharashtra State Board website. You will get a link for registration over there. This link is going to be available on 20 July 2021 from 11:30 a.m. onwards. Once you open this link, you will be asked whether you want to appear for CET, yes or no. There you have to select. If you select the yes, then you have to proceed further. Here you can select a medium also. Either it will be semi-English or English medium or any another language which has been kept available by the board that you can select and you can proceed further. Now about examination date and timing. The examination date is 21st August 2021 and timing will be 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. That means you have total 1 month in your hand, and for writing the answer paper you will get 2 hours over there. Now let us see examination pattern. It consists of multiple choice objective questions. This syllabus is based on Maharashtra board for 10 standard. Answer sheet will be in the form of OMR sheet. OMR sheet is optically machine readable sheet which is scanned by computer. Now let us see how many questions are going to be asked over here. There are going to be total 100 questions. English, there will be 25 questions. Mathematics, part 1 and part 2, 25 questions. That is algebra and geometry, both will be covered over here. Science and technology, part 1, part 2, there will be again 25 questions. Social science, which includes history, political science and geography, will be also asked for 25 marks. So overall there are going to be 100 mark exam, 25 marks from each, that is English, math, science and social science. Now question arises, how to carry out a preparation. See, you have a ample time, you have a 30 days in your hand. Even if you work 5 hours or 6 hours per day, you are going to get total 150 to 180 hours for preparation. So no need to take any tension. From today onwards, you make a timetable and start the preparation. You refer your 10th standard textbook once again. See, syllabus is same, which you have already studied it for the entire year for your 10th standard board exam. Now you refer to question bank which is provided by board also. Make your own short notes. Give more emphasis to the law than short answer questions which are included in the textbook. Now, how to fill OMR sheet. See, those students who have appeared for competitive exams like MTSC or NTSC, they are all well aware of it. But those who are going to appear it for the first time, for them, it's very important to understand this instruction. See, this correction over here is done by the machine through the scanning. Therefore, this should not be folded or crushed. On the OMR sheet, darken the circles completely with a black or blue ball pen. Darken the circles completely only after you are sure of your answer. Erasing may lead to the OMR sheet getting damaged and the machine may not be able to read the answer. So avoid erasing the OMR sheet. Half filled, erased, and more than one answer marked will not be considered for the marking. Now I'm going to give you some instructions for filling up the OMR sheet. See, remember, you have to fill the OMR sheet with blue or black ballpoint pen only. Once again, I repeat, you have to use blue or black ballpoint pen only. Do not use the pencil. Do not mark more than one circle. Here you can see the student has marked more than one circle. This is a wrong method. Answer sheet will not be considered for, or rather that question will not be considered for marking. Do not put tick mark in the circle. See here you can see the student has put tick mark. You are not supposed to do it like this. This will not be also considered for marking. Now do not encircle the correct answer like this. Again, it will not be considered for marking. You have to fill the circle carefully. See here, you can see how student has filled it abruptly. He has tried to fill, but half of the circle is empty over here. So what is the correct method? Here you can see this is the correct method. Like this only, you have to dark the circle completely. Then only it will be considered for marking. One more thing, while answering the OMR sheet, you have to keep the track of question number. Sometimes it may happen that you find out the question 1, then you skip the question 2 and go for question 3, but by mistake you will mark the answer for question 3 in question 2. So you have to have a little bit patience while marking the OMR sheet. That's all about for today's instruction. Once again I will say, do not take any tension. I will always try to provide you the help by making some more videos about multiple choice questions, especially from science and the maths. If you like this information, then do not forget to share, subscribe and like my channel. Thank you and goodbye.